Okay guys, welcome to Dr. Lou's Low Carb Diet. I'm Dr. Lou, and today we're looking at the top 5 low carb foods. Now, these are the top 5 of keto foods where there's zero carbs. You have a whole range of reasons why you choose your food stuff on a keto diet. These are because they give you literally zero carb, but they're delicious, they're nutrient dense, they're whole foods. So that's the main idea why you do these, and also they fit into clean keto as well. So here we go. We're going to look at the top 5 foods and go through why they're suitable, what they are, the net carbs, and the nutrients of them. So that way you can make an informed choice on your keto diet. So if you're stuck for thinking, oh, what can I have for a meal tonight? These are 5 of them you can eat with confidence, and you'll be able to eat them every single day, and you'll put zero weight on because it'll be burning off as fat because you'll have zero carbs. Now, so the first one we're going to put up now. So look at the picture here, guys. It's going to be the first zero carb food. Now, the first one, as you can see, it's, that's correct, egg or eggs. So we've got eggs, and you can see these are, technically, they're not exactly zero carb. They're about 0.2 to 0.4 grams of carb, so not even half a carb of carbohydrates. Now, I've eaten sometimes, and the most I've ever eaten in a day is 14 of these, and I lost tons of weight doing that. I lost absolutely tons. I ate loads of eggs, and over 3 months I lost 20 kg. Easily 20 kg. Now, basically, why eggs? Now, eggs are amazing. They give life. They're therefore, born of life. You eat them, what do you think you're going to get? You're going to get all the nutrients and the material for life. Now, so eggs, perfect staple. They're literally a staple. So what you should be doing, you should be waking up and going, for example, I would wake up, I'll fry 3 eggs and some bacon, or I'll fry 3 eggs, some bacon and some chipolatas, or something like that. So the chipolatas will be really low carb, the bacon 0 carb, and the egg 0 carb. So pretty much I start the day with 0 carbs, with a little bit of carbs sometimes from some sausages. Now, what you can see here is, if you look here, it's 0 carbs, okay? So they call it 0 carbs because it's so low. Protein plus healthy fats. You have choline, okay, which is a prerequisite for making acetylcholine, neurotransmitter, really important for your brain. You have vitamins A, D, and B12, and it's cheap, versatile, and an everyday staple. Yes, 100%. Eggs are fantastic. Even if I'm hungry, I go, if I want a snack, I don't reach for a keto snack, I reach for eggs. I fry up maybe 3 eggs, throw some Worcester sauce, or maybe a tiny bit of Worcester sauce, very dangerous because it's high in carbs. But definitely what's perfect, a bit of Tabasco sauce on some eggs, fantastic. Salt, pepper, onion powder, delicious, you'll enjoy them. Now, it's as if like when you eat bread, these are the bread of the keto diet. Totally fantastic. Now let's have a look here. So they're perfect for ketosis because they're 0 carb. High protein supports muscle and satiety, so you're always full, and build up strong muscles if you want. Nutrient dense, you've got choline, B12, vitamins and minerals. Heart healthy, good fats to support you, and budget friendly, affordable and easy to prepare. Absolutely fantastic prices. You can get them, I think it's like maybe £3 for a box of 30, maybe, or is it £5 now? So something like that, where you can get them for a fantastic price, and all day long I eat them. I think they're fantastic. Now, the main idea here, the main takeaway is quite simple, nutritious, 0 carbs, 100% keto, 100%. I couldn't imagine keto without eggs at all. That's one of the main nutritious foods that you're going to be looking at. Let's jump on to number 2. Now, so number 2, you have a 0 carb food, steak or beef. It's up to you what you have, beef or steak. Make sure you get cuts that don't have carbs in them, like liver. Make sure you check the cut and its carb load. If it's just normal beef or steak, 0 carbs. Lovely here, 0 carbs, high in iron, zinc and B vitamins. So, very satiating and nutrient dense. Fantastic. This is what you need, whole foods. Now, let's have a look at it here. We love a bit of steak. It's extremely tasty. Bit of butter in it. Absolutely phenomenal. Now, zero carbs, perfect for ketosis, great. High in protein, supports muscle maintenance and growth, fantastic. Rich in nutrients, iron, zinc, B12, and other essential minerals, that's fantastic. Very filling, keeps you full for hours, 100% so. Great for fat loss, preserves muscle while losing fat. Excellent, that's what you need. Now, real food, real protein, real results. Steak, 100%. Now, again, you don't have to have this. You can go for cheaper cuts like steak chuck or cuts of beef. That's totally fine. There's always alternatives out there. Okay, so let's jump on to number 3. So number 3, what we can see here, salmon, fatty fish, health plus keto. Yes, salmon is amazing. I love salmon, a nice bit of salmon on the keto. What do? I throw it in the air fryer. I put some butter on top of it. I cook it, yes, I get it nice and crispy. Yeah, it comes up delicious and I eat it like that. Absolutely delicious. Sometimes a little bit of lemon on it. Yeah, absolutely next level. Salmon is fantastic, fills you right up. So that's another zero carbs food. Rich in omega-3, that's excellent. So EPA, DHA, and supports brain and heart health. So all round looking at good fats. Now, zero carbs, perfect for ketosis. Omega-3 power, reduces inflammation and supports your heart. What else can you ask for? Brain boost, supports cognitive functions and mental clarity. Excellent, next level. High quality protein builds and repairs muscles, keeps you full for longer, and eat 2 to 3 times weekly. Great addition to a balanced keto lifestyle. Awesome. I've got to admit, I used to have it maybe at least 3 times a week when I was on keto. One time I kept going. I was going to a popular supermarket at that time. You might not know it. In the UK, it's called Sam's Club. It's a popular American club. They have fantastic quality salmon that you could buy from there. Next level. It was actually frozen. You could buy fresher there as well. Both are delicious. Eat it fresh or throw it into the air fryer. Absolutely fantastic. Now, excellent there as a whole food and for the keto diet. Now, moving on to number 4. What's number 4? I think we can all guess that. An excellent, fantastic and budget option. Zero carb food, chicken. Now, chicken is absolutely awesome on the diet. I'm having chicken right now, actually tonight. I've prepared loads of chicken thighs. I've thrown in garlic. I've thrown in salt and pepper, special salt and pepper, a little bit of ginger. Let it all boil up. Put the lid on the frying pan so it fries, and then it heats it from the top, and then turn it over, and it cooks again. Fantastic. Now let's have a look. Thighs, drumsticks, chicken wings, all awesome. Now leaner options, still zero carbs. Now high protein, more affordable than steak. Choose skin on for more fat. Zero carbs, perfect for ketosis. High protein, supports muscle maintenance and growth. Affordable and accessible, budget-friendly protein source, 100%. Very satiating, keeps you full longer. Great for fat loss. High protein, supports fat loss. Chicken is fantastic. What came first, the chicken or the egg? There you go. Both of them came at the same time for a keto diet, and you ate them and they were delicious. So there you go. Chicken, a fantastic budget option, and tasty and lovely how you can prepare it. You can make salads out of it, delicious cold or hot. You can make tons of different dishes out of it. It's awesome. A friendly budget one as well, or you can go higher for, really exclusive free range type of chicken, and they taste next level. They're fantastic as well. Taste. Make soup out of the bones and the leftovers. Awesome. So guys, a really good idea to have a chicken on your keto diet. So looking at number 5, cheese. So we're not talking about being cheesy, we're literally talking about our friend cheese. Now, that's the whole point. Is the cheese is what you want is zero carb cheese. Don't go for soft cheese, cream cheese, or any carb cheese. Zero carb food, cheese, hard, full fat, convenient, tasty, and keto friendly. So high in protein and calcium, rich in fat, very satiating, great snack or meal add-on. So again, you can have it just as a snack by itself. I often do that. I usually throw in a little bit of pickle, some cheese, maybe some cold meats. Very tasty. Zero carbs, perfect for ketosis. High protein, supports muscle and satiety. Rich in calcium, supports bones and teeth, and there you go. You need electrolyte calcium as well. Convenient, easy to carry, easy to enjoy, satisfying, keeps cravings away. Cheese is fantastic. Simple, delicious, satisfying, 0 carbs, 100% keto. So you've got lots of different cheeses. Check on the nutritional label, 0 carbs, don't forget guys. I use cheese as a snack. I pair it with pickle, I pair it with many things, but I also melt it into peppers. I use it all over things, melt it all over everything, cauliflower, broccoli, over steak. It's awesome. So cheese as well is next level and extremely nutritious for you. So guys, that's 5 of the really important and tasty 0 carb keto foods. So I hope you enjoyed the video guys. So if you have any questions, please pop them in the comments. Thumbs up and subscribe. Okay guys, I'll see you on the next one.